Still, we know some things about the new Nord, and there are rumors about other things, all of which you'll find below. From what we've heard so far, it sounds like the OnePlus Nord CE 5G will be an affordable successor to the mid-range OnePlus Nord. But this likely isn't the OnePlus Nord 2, and will probably be even cheaper than the original Nord, especially as the CE stands for Core Edition, despite probably having some new features. As well as leaks and news about the specs and features, you'll also find information on the likely release date and price below, and whenever we hear more about the phone we'll update this article. The OnePlus Nord CE 5G is official. OnePlus announced it in an exclusive TechRadar interview, but the company didn't reveal all that much about it in the process, with the full unveiling scheduled for June 10. OnePlus has confirmed that the OnePlus Nord CE 5G will be fully unveiled on June 10, so there's not long to wait. That might not be when you'll be able to buy it, of course, with the OnePlus Nord for example going on sale around 2 weeks after it was announced. That said, the wait for the OnePlus 9 was only 3 days, so it's hard to predict how long we'll be waiting for the Nord CE 5G to go on sale after it's announced. As for what it might cost, we don't know an exact price, but Pete Lau, the company's CEO, has told TechRadar that it will come in at an even more affordable price than the OnePlus Nord. For reference, the OnePlus Nord starts at around $480, $680, so expect a lower price than that, perhaps more in line with the OnePlus Nord N10 5G, which starts at around $430, $595. However, currently the OnePlus Nord CE 5G is only confirmed for Europe and India, so as with the original Nord you probably won't be able to buy it in the US or Australia.